How's it going, everyone? We have a viewer request build. Should be pretty awesome. Bamboozle, we're gonna vault faster, block the windows. Dark Arrogance, superior anatomy, and fire up will also increase our vault speed. And I figured Myers would be a good place to start. So I will see you guys in the first match. A good map for this. I haven't played Myers in a while. Mikey, you ready for this? That's not good. That's not good. Wait, are they gonna escape? Oh, okay, we're good. We're back in it. We're back in it. Look at all these extra blood points we're gonna get. It'd be a shame if someone was to... Okay. Honestly, might be a decent map for our build. Let's see. Do I start Obsession? Someone's in the main building. Hey! Ooh, I can see them. No! No, I don't want to be friendly. I'm trying to play, man. That's right, you better run away. We're not doing this friendly stuff, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm gonna be a little nice though. I'm just gonna get 2 hooks. You guys can get the save. Okay, I'm gonna leave him. This is gonna end too fast if I just kill them. Yeah, we'll go for her. Give him a little chance, cause that'd be kind of rude if I just downed them all immediately and got the game over with. This is what it's like whenever I play custom with my friends. They just all go down immediately and the game's over. No. Oh my god, you guys are so annoying. Okay, come here, Nia. And she ran into me. I can't use my build. That's a huge add-on value. I've gotten, what, 4 downs from tier 3? Okay, someone's here. She's staying. Okay. I got lots of stock. Okay, maybe I can use a vault here. Man, this would be such easy downs. Whatever. Wait. Vault. Bruh. Where are you running? There's a window to your right, man. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We'll do another game. This is gonna skew how good this build is because this build is not this effective. It's just these guys are kind of being silly. I hear footsteps. It might be my own. Okay, here's someone. Okay. That's unfortunate. Okay, I see someone running. I am flabbergasted. Also, they all have Boyle. Is this like a bully squad? Who brings Boyle over? Like, this is the third person I've seen Boyle over. Move over, please. Ooh. Bites. I'm gonna get some stock on you. This is so sad. I've never had an idea for something just lose so completely. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay, ball. No. Oh my god. Okay, get a pallet stone. Whatever. Okay. Yes, okay, let's use the build. Hiya! Okay, I can worry here, but let me go get the Dwight first. What are you guys doing? They're not even hiding, they're just out in the open. Oh my god, I hate you. Don't hit me like that. Honestly, I kind of wanted this DC. Who else wants to come right here? Come here so I can more you on top of your friends. Do you even make... Why are you... Bro. Why would you run over here? Like, just go out the window. Okay. Surreal how different the games are compared to what I'm used to. It was a very interesting game. Nice. Well worth 2 billion blood points. This is the right word. Looks like 3 toolboxes and a medkit, so that's off to a good start for the purpose of this challenge. We want to go against competent people that are trying to win to see if this build can work for that. Ah, it looks so much cooler. Oh my gosh. I hate RPD! All of my maps are RPD! Some stock right here. Yeah, they see me. Thought I heard footsteps, but it's not. Try to cut her off. Ooh, look at that vault speed. We found the one injured person. Someone else was running upstairs, but this is a better spot for us because this is a really bad location for her to be at. Oh. Yeah, even she stuns us. Like, she can't really go anywhere. With Dark Arrogance, it's a lot safer for her. So we still have a good 30 seconds of exposed. Oh, he's gonna get away just in time. That's alright, I'll get rid of these. She's touching that gin for some reason. So we know she doesn't have DS because she touched the gin. Let's go up, try to cut someone off. He's pre-running. Okay, nice. She kind of messed up here. Beautiful. Got her with the cheeky mind game. And we could kill Rebecca. Oh, poor Rebecca. I'm sorry, but your time has come. I swear I'm hearing people's footsteps. They're like right underneath me. Oh, she had life. If she didn't have life, we would have made that. Or was balance landing. Rip. It's a fatality guy over there. She's already broken. There's stuff over here. Pickup speed's really nice. And these gens are honestly in really good spots for us. chase her. Nice. Oh, okay. Just couldn't stalk for some reason. Nice. Okay, so none of them touch this guy near Jin's. Bro got bamboozled. We're in a pretty strong position, despite how it looks. Yeah, she's dead. And I hear Adam, he's probably giving up. Or he ran into me on accident. By the way, if you're playing Survivor, this is a really strong loop. What Adam's doing here, I learned this from Mr. Taterhead. It's called escalators. Okay. Yeah! We did the build! We vaulted into the DS! Yay! He should have thrown that down. Should have thrown that down, buddy, unless you have Dead Hard. Yeah, he does. Which I figured. We want him to throw it down this way. It's a good double back he did. Yeah, dude, this guy is playing pretty well. Which she might be doing the last gen. Okay. Yeah. Let's go back to this gen. She was indeed doing it. Yeah, compared to the last guy, this girl... Oop, I tried to bait out Dead Hard and missed. But I get her now. So now we wait and see if we get lucky. Okay. Oh. What in the world? Oh, here he is. Give up, Adam. Oh. That's a bad pilot. We know he doesn't have a key. upgrade tier 3 to get the extra lunge. Got him! Oh, geez, brother. Don't hit me, that hurt. Bleh. This build goes to show that it's too strong and powerful for Myers. You don't even need to use it. GG's to these guys. I miss this, telling everyone GG after the game. I think Bubba or Clown. So the idea is I can try to get a bunch of downs, and then I have Fire Up, Superior, and Bamboozle for the vaults. 2 flashlights? Could be an altruistic team. I don't think they're ready for the Bubba. Oh my gosh. Bro. What is with me getting these maps? Did they bring it? No, they didn't. I just got unlucky. This might be the worst possible vault build map. I hear people moving. She's above me. Kind of messed up, but okay. See, I think I confused her because I confused myself, and no one was near, so I didn't get any screams. So we'll just hook her. Okay. Pallet, you got out of the way. Okay. Went ahead and threw that down. And I'm kind of just chilling here because I see one person there. Nice. Okay. Throw this down. We'll just go for an M1 here. Ooh. We might get him now, though. Yep. But they're all below me. I need them to, like, be near me and try to get flashlight saves and dumb stuff. Come on, oh. She messed up. You should have gone to the pallet, buddy. I'm so glad they're wasting time healing, because Oh, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, Sil? You think that's gonna work? Nope. So I'm right here. Oh, hey. Could try to get him. Ah, I'll just injure. Or maybe get it down. Oh hey, last person's here. GG's. Those add-ons are really fun to use. Oh hey, it's BY Clips again. So I guess the pool's not that big. Let's see if he's still chill and says GG. Demo. And you know what? Since I did it for Myers, we'll do it for demo as well and get the Prestige 6. What? Bloodweb error. Okay, I was about to say. Yes. Oops. Alright, what add-ons I got? I mean, yeah, the add-on. Whew! I was not having a good day, huh? Alright, so this one guy I told you GG, he didn't respond earlier. I just got him again, so GG. He said you ain't even good. And BYS Clips is also goated. He said, damn, GG. So I appreciate that. It's kind of funny to get the same people. I might have to play crossplay off more often. Oh my god, no! I hate RPD! All of my maps are RPD! Bro. Omega mind game. that scared them. Okay, this should be it. And there wasn't an invisible thing there. That guy's just doing the Jin. That's hilarious. Whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. Buddy. These guys are not, I'm not gonna say they're the best, but they are really efficient with gens. So I'm gonna have to play a little more efficiently, I think. Is he gonna... Yeah, these guys aren't playing around. Oh crap, I went to the wrong portal. Beautiful. And they're healing up there. Still have Bamboozle. And she's going for that. Yeah, hard doing that, Jin. I'll just kill her if she touched the Jin. Thank you. See, I hope these guys don't complain about tunneling because she got unhooked and immediately went for the Jin. At that point, it's not my fault. There we go. Finally got some value. This. I wonder if we can mic him. Okay, he probably just double bagged. Okay, he did fall. Hey, buddy. they're both over there. My teleporter comes out. They're healing. Her or him. I'm actually not sure which one this is. I think it's a him. Them. We'll hook them. Hey, he did not take a hit for her. I kind of jumped a little bit and I fell down after that vault. Oh, he went up. Oh, dang. That's unfortunate. I'm in a good position right now. Alright, let's kill. Across the map. Spawn near hatch. Alright, GG's. It's too bad that one of the brainy part escaped. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop there for today. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this vault build was entertaining, even though I didn't really use it at all. But take care and have a good one.